Okay, let's see what happened here. Oh, helping customers for last hour. All right, they didn't bend the tab back in there. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, we got the washer in there, shaft is in there. Let's see if we're below the surface now. Okay, we now have clearance. So now we got about 30 thou clearance right there between the washer and my scale. So that's good. And we now have a little bit of clearance between the back of the gear there and the bendix. So you can see in there or not, but there's a little bit of clearance in there. Okay, that all looks good. Alright, I think that might actually work now. Semi-concerned about where that 1/4 inch lock washer came from that's in the bike, but you're not supposed to have this crap running around inside your primary. I have no idea where that came from. No, I didn't leave it in there though. Okay, I'm gonna bend this back down over here. Let's see, light, so I can see. Kind of. Where's it at? Hold it a little bit. Yep, right there. Okay, we only go about 2/3 the way onto the ring gear. So you look at the engagement here when you go like this here. So we only go about that far on there. It's 2/3, 3/4 the way onto the gear. That's all the engagement you get, which is about normal. So that'll be better than what it was doing, obviously. Okay, so why is that not returning all the way? Something's binding a little bit there. Not sure what that is. Oh, I know what it is. The bendix won't let it go backwards. It's on a spiral coming out, so it won't let you go back, so you have to advance it to let it go out. Okay, so that's good. Alright, so all that looks like it's good. So go ahead and put the cover back up on here. Hopefully it'll seal up halfway decent. I think I'll put a little bit of gasket cinch on the cover to help seal it. That way it'll be, hopefully it won't leak. Kind of don't like leaks around here. Everybody's picky, picky, picky. They want no leaks. Okay, so we need to get some gasket cinch and what else do I need? I think that's all I need. All right, we'll be back. Okay. Just some cleaned up. Looks like we got a gasket cinch on here. In case you want to know what the gasket cinch looks like. This is gasket cinch right here. So just kind of comes off your hands, chews up and goes away. Unlike silicone, which doesn't, this stuff just goes away. So we gotta wipe that off, get a fresh layer on that, and then go ahead and put it on the bike. So you just rub on it, and it disappears. Okay, let's make sure that's all gone. Little magic goop. Okay. I'll go over here and look at the case. Ah, damn it. Ah, pinching my thumb on a tripod, tangled up in the damn airlines. Tripods suck. I'm gonna mention that before, didn't I? I hope so. They suck. It hurt. I'm gonna wipe this off here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and goop up this surface a little bit. All right. Everything's lubed up. Make sure your washer's on there like it is. Put this up on here. Square up the cover with the inner. It looks like it fits correctly. Bring it until it lightly touches. Get one back here somewhere. Center it up a little bit also. think. Yep. There it goes. That one didn't want to start. Okay. Torque them all in here. Kind of a round pattern here. Here we go. I'll use our impact knocker here. Beat the hell out of it. Make 2 laps around with this. An initial one, and then come back in again. One lap. I'm going to do one more just to make sure they're tight. The harder you hit, the more it tightens. You also rotate them like that at the same time. Okay, that's tight. So we'll let that set up overnight. Wipe off the excess sealer. Dry. Sign. Okay, so we'll let that dry out, and then we're going to have to check the starter solenoid and see if the thing actually engages like it's supposed to now. So we're going to go ahead and hook up our cable over there. Give it a few bumps of the starter and see if it works. There's oil in there right now, you know, residue, so it doesn't really hurt it by hitting the starter right now. Tight. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Hopefully things work correctly. Alright, what was that, about a dozen times in a row without a single grinding noise before we get one start with a bunch of grinding noises. So it looks like we fixed it. So once again, you take out the aftermarket crap that don't work, put in some original components, and things work a lot better. But this one still didn't fit exactly. I still had to modify it a little bit to make it all fly. But at least now it doesn't make that ugly ass noise we don't like. Right, so tomorrow night we'll go ahead and get the exhaust all up on here, put some oil in it, get it run again, and see if the base gasket repair no longer leaks. And then also the push rod cover over there was the other place we had a leakage. So we'll see you tomorrow. That's it for tonight on this one.